Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the hot mess technique using Chalk Couture. Since my transfer is fall, I decided to use fall colors for this hot mess. I am using my Fall Blessings Club Couture transfer again. And let's see how it looks. I hope y'all like it and I hope you're able to follow this tutorial. It's very easy. First, you lay your transfer down after you fuzzed it, of course. And then you're going to get your paste and you're really just going to slather it down wherever you like, just as I'm doing here. Once you have your paste, you're going to just smooth it out. There are different techniques, and this is the technique I use for this project. Just smooth it on out and you'll get different colors. Of course, you want to be careful with the colors you use because you might get like a brown or black color if that's not the look you're going for. Since this is a fall project, if I got brown, I would have been okay with it. Normally, if I have excess paste, I normally put it back in the jar, but since this is a different color, since it created different colors, I just wipe it up with a paper towel. And now the big reveal. Just go up slowly, and there you have it. Just the different colors. I love how they blend it together. It's just very fall-like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this. And I made a boo-boo. I touched it just to make sure it was dry, and it obviously wasn't, but I'm able to go back once it's completely dry to put my transfer back on and just paste over it again. Let's try this again. Hopefully it'll come out better this time and I won't make as many mistakes. But again, if I messed up, it's okay. I could just erase it and try again. Remember, our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times, even more depending on how you take care of it. But I didn't really like how it looked. But the great thing is with Chalk Couture is you can erase the product depending on what type of surface you're using and start all over again. So isn't that amazing that there's a product out there? If you don't like the way it looks, you could just erase it and start over. This is one of the many reasons why I love Chalk Couture and our Calkology Paste. I'm just really going to make sure it's dry this time before I touch anything. And the reason why I am drying it is because I need to lay the double L's right next to fall. And I need to make sure it's dry so the paste doesn't lift onto the transfer. And now I'm just stirring my white paste and adding some distilled water just so it can become that cake-like yogurt consistency that we need for our paste. And I'm just smoothing it out. And again, if there's excess on the white, I am able to put it back on the jar because it's the same color. And now I'm just adding some leaves I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm just hot gluing them onto the surface. And this is basically the whole project. I hope you found it easy to do. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to help you. The hot mess technique is my most favorite technique to do. It's probably because I am a hot mess myself, so I just identify with this technique a lot. But I hope y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. And the final product is coming up.